continues. Good afternoon and welcome. Address of Petition. The University Academic Council, pursuant to the provisions of Rule 5, Section 8, we hereby petition the Bicol University Board of Regents to confer the degree Doctor of Humanities, honoris causa, posthumous, upon former President Corazon Cojuangco Aquino, 11th President of the Republic of the Philippines.
This time, we shall have the rare opportunity to view the video clip message of former President Corazon C. Aquino to the Filipino people on microphone.
Minamahal kong mga kababayan, thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak to you on a matter of great importance to our people. I am happy to tell you now that in the last few years, we have been building another kind of people power. This does not involve mobilizing hundreds of thousands of people in the streets. We see it in the quiet work of microfinance institutions in providing small loans to poor people. It is estimated that more than 2 million poor women are already being reached by microfinance. They are pulling themselves up by their own hard work and have seen their children graduate from college or their barong-barong transformed into more permanent and strong homes. Some have even graduated into small enterprises that sell their products to big supermarkets or to exporters. In turn, they create jobs for others in their villages. Inspired by their hard work and commitment to improve their lives, I convened 2 years ago a group of leaders from business, from the development community, and from the microfinance sector to form Pinoy Me, or Pinoy Micro Enterprise. It is a social consortium that aims to raise 5 billion pesos in 5 years in order to reach 5 million poor women. Through Pinoy Me, we are helping MFIs by increasing their capacity to reach more poor people with microfinance and business development services. Pinoy Me's vision is to gradually transform our society from one with a huge base of impoverished Filipinos to one with a broad middle class. Here in the Philippines, more than 50 institutions are now cooperating with each other to help Pinoy Me realize its goal. Imagine the impact of this goal. 5 million women engaged in micro-enterprise means we will be helping about 25 million Filipinos. Ayala Foundation USA has generously offered to help spread the good word about Pinoy Me and to accept donations coming from the United States. On behalf of the Pinoy Me Foundation, I thank them for their support. I invite all of you to join us in this great campaign to uplift the lives of 25 million Filipinos. I also appeal to those who may not be Filipinos, but who may likewise feel compassion for the poor who need only $100 to start a micro-enterprise and improve the lives of their families. This is a new kind of people power that we hope will dramatically reduce poverty and restore the dignity of the poor in our country in the long run. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay and God bless.
Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Legazpi City. Board of Regents Resolution number 053, Series of 2011. A resolution approving the posthumous conferment of the degree Doctor of Humanities honoris causa to Her Excellency Corazon Cojuangco Aquino, 11th President of the Republic of the Philippines, founder and chairperson emeritus of the Pinoy Me Foundation, and recognition of her exemplary contributions to poverty alleviation through her work in promoting microfinance in the countryside, thus providing the poorest of the poor the opportunities to access financing for livelihood and skills training, thereby actualizing a new form of people power.
Remarkable and exemplary achievements as the 11th President of the Republic of the Philippines, for having been selected as Time Magazine's Woman of the Year in 1986, and having received the Eleanor Roosevelt Human Rights Award for her valuable role in the restoration of democracy in the country, for having been acknowledged worldwide as an advocate of democracy, peace, women's empowerment, and religious piety, for having been a recipient of various awards such as the J. William Fulbright Prize for International Understanding from the United States Department of State in 1996, the Ramon Magsaysay Award for International Understanding in 1998, the David Rockefeller Bridging Leadership Award, and the Martin Luther King Jr. Nonviolent Peace Prize, for having demonstrated exemplary commitment to nation building and love for her fellow Filipinos, which is worth emulating, for having contributed to poverty alleviation in the country through her work in microfinance, providing opportunities for the poorest of the poor to have access to financing for livelihood and skills training, and for her inspiring vision to elevate microfinance as an effective mechanism to stir progress and development in the countryside as an actualization of a new form of people power, for having been a worthy model of the 4 pillars of the university: scholarship, leadership, character, and service, the key values which all graduates of Bicol University are expected to live by. Wherefore, by virtue of the powers vested in us as the chairperson of the Commission on Higher Education and of the Bicol University Board of Regents, upon the petition of the Academic Council and recommendation of the University President, and the unanimous approval of the Board of Regents in its meeting on December 21st, 2011, through Board Resolution Number 53, Series of 2011, we hereby confer posthumously upon former President Corazon Cojuangco Aquino, 11th President of the Republic of the Philippines, the degree of Doctor of Humanities honoris causa, with all the rights, honors, privileges, duties, and obligations appertaining thereto, this 17th day of April 2012 at Malacanang Palace. Signed, Fay Lea Patria M. Lauraya, President, Bicol University; Patricia B. Lipuanan, Chairperson, Bicol University Board of Regents.
By the President of the Bicol University, the awarding academic institution. The Bicol University President, Dr. Fay Lea Patria Lauraya, shall be assisted by Congressman Rodel Batocame. To do us the honors of awarding the diploma is a distinguished Senator of the Republic of the Philippines, the Chairman of the Senate Committee on Education, Arts, and Culture, and member of the Bicol University Board of Regents, Honorable Senator Edgardo Angara. And the award as not a commendation is State Commissioner and former Chairperson of the Bicol University Board of Regents, Dr. Meneline Defensor.